they've told us that a bag contains 6 red counters and 4 blue counters. 2 counters are picked from the bag without replacement. Represent the events using a tree diagram. So the first thing that we are going to do, we are going to take the total number of counters. So we have 6 red counters and 4 blue counters. 6 red and 4 blue. So to draw the tree, the first thing we are going to do is P. So we have our P here, the probability of picking red and the probability of picking blue. So the first one is red. So the probability of picking red counters will be, we take the 6 and there are 4 blue ones. So we are going to add both of them. 6 plus 4 is 10. So the probability of picking a red ball will be 6 over 10. And then the probability of picking a blue ball will be 4 over 10. And then we move to the second counter. This is the first counter. So to the second counter, we draw another 3. We have the probability of picking red and picking blue in the first one. And we also have the probability of picking red and blue in the second one. So here, we picked red the first time. So how many red remained? We have 6 red and 4 blue. So they remain with 5 red and 4 blue. So 5 red and 4 blue. So the probability of picking a red one will be 5 all over the total, which is 9. The probability of picking a blue one will be 4 all over the total, which is 9. And if they picked a blue ball, it means that the blue balls reduced. So we have 6 red and 3 blue. So the probability of picking a red ball will be 6 divided by the total, which is 9. For the blue one will be 3 divided by the total, which is 9. And that's how we draw the probability tree. And then for the second part, they're asking you to find the probability that the 2 counters picked are of the same color. Find the probability that the 2 counters picked are of the same color. So we are going to use the tree diagram. We have the red, the probability of picking red and red. This first one, we have red and red here. Here we have red and blue. Here we have blue and red. Here we have blue and blue. So the probability that the 2 counters picked are of the same color. Which colors are there? Red and blue. So we want the probability that they picked red and red. We have this one. And the probability that they picked blue and blue. So we have this one. So there are these 2. So we either have the probability of picking red and red or the probability of picking blue and blue. So to find the total probability, you need to understand that we use a multiplication sign inside the bracket and an addition sign where we have OR. So this one will become plus. So we'll have the probability of picking red and red will be 6 over 10 multiplied by 5 over 9. So it's 6 over 10 multiplied by 5 over 9. Divided by, we add. The next one is 4 over 10 multiplied by 3 over 9. So 6 over 10 multiplied by 5 over 9, that will give us a value. So you press it in the calculator. This one will give us 6 over 10 times 5 over 9 plus 4 over 10 times 3 over 9. This gives us 7 over 15. So we get 7 over 15 as the final probability.